Music. Is Bitpanda the crypto platform for you? Let's dive into this review. I'll cover its features, ideal users, and if it's a good investment choice. Bitpanda is a European platform offering crypto, stocks, ETFs, precious metals, and commodities. It's versatile for diversified investors, known for a user-friendly interface, diverse assets, and strong European regulation. A standout feature is its vast selection, over 200 cryptocurrencies plus traditional finance products. Manage all your investments on one platform. Bitpanda caters to both beginners and pros. Bitpanda Pro offers low-fee trading with professional tools, while the standard platform simplifies buying and selling. Funding is easy with SEPA transfers, cards, Skrill, Neteller, and even PayPal, convenient for users globally. Automate crypto purchases with Bitpanda Savings, perfect for dollar-cost averaging. Security is key. Bitpanda boasts strict EU regulation, 2FA, cold storage, and full KYC verification, making it a safer platform. Spend your crypto or fiat anywhere with the Bitpanda Visa card. However, standard trading fees are higher than some exchanges. Frequent traders should consider Bitpanda Pro for competitive fees. While excellent for Europeans, some services may be limited elsewhere. Overall, Bitpanda is a top choice for European investors seeking an all-in-one, secure, and regulated platform. If you want a simple yet powerful way to manage diverse investments, Bitpanda is worth checking out. Links are in the description.